Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Theme and Personalization. Then let's tap on Wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got plenty of beautiful pre-installed options from which we can choose. Moreover, at the top we've got the option recently used wallpapers, and this picture icon right here, and it means that we can enter our own photos and set them as a wallpaper. But I think I'll pick something from those options, and if you wish to check the preview, simply tap on the wallpaper. It will appear on the full screen. You can tap on preview to check the full screen, and now let's simply tap on set as. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.